US Mobile Unlimited Premium Review. Today, we will discuss about its pros, cons, features, and pricing. Here is my honest opinion. What are the pros? High data allotment offers a generous 100 gigabytes of prioritized premium data on Verizon's Warp network, or 100 gigabytes of high-speed data on T-Mobile's GSM network. Example: the high data cap is ideal for heavy users who stream videos, use data-intensive apps, or frequently tether devices. Flexible network choice allows you to choose between Verizon, Warp, and T-Mobile GSM networks, offering tailored coverage based on your location and needs. Example: if you need better rural coverage, Verizon's Warp is advantageous. For better urban coverage, T-Mobile's GSM may be preferable. High-speed data and 5G access includes access to high-band 5G on both networks, providing faster speeds and better performance in high-demand scenarios. Multi-line discounts offers discounts for multiple lines, making it a cost-effective option for families or groups. Example: a family of 4 could save significantly with discounted rates for additional lines. Mobile hotspot feature includes 50 gigabytes of high-speed data for use as a mobile hotspot, useful for connecting other devices on the go. What are the cons? High monthly cost. At $50 per month for a single line, it is on the pricier side compared to other budget MVNO options. Example: while it provides high value, users looking for the absolute lowest cost may find it expensive compared to other MVNOs. Annual payment option for best rates. The most cost-effective rate requires an annual payment, which might not suit those who prefer month-to-month flexibility. No data-connected smartwatch support. Does not offer connectivity options for data-connected smartwatches, which could be a drawback for some users. Features: 100 gigabytes. Prioritized data. Provides 100 gigabytes of high-speed, prioritized data on Verizon's network or high-speed data on T-Mobile's network, ensuring good performance. Network flexibility allows you to switch between Verizon, Warp, and T-Mobile GSM networks up to twice a month based on coverage and performance needs. Mobile hotspot includes 50 gigabytes of high-speed data for tethering other devices, with speeds reduced to 1 megabit per second after the high-speed data is used. Multi-line discounts. Discounts apply when adding additional lines, reducing the overall cost for families or groups. Pricing: monthly payments. 1 line, $50 per month. 2 lines, $45 per month per line. 3+ lines, $40 per month per line. Annual payments: 1 line, $37.50 per month. Billed annually at $450. 2 lines, $37.50 per month per line. Billed annually at $450 per line. 3+ lines, $37.50 per month per line. Billed annually at $450 per line. I recommend checking out reviews by John Lynch, who provides a thorough analysis of various phone plans, including US Mobile's Unlimited Premium. His detailed breakdown of data speeds, coverage, and plan features will give you a comprehensive understanding of whether this plan meets your needs.